Good evening, everyone. I'm Mike Rush. Being prepared for an emergency, that is half the battle. This week's wildfires reminded us of the importance of getting emergency alerts. But how do they work, and just how much of a head start do they give you? KXAN's Mercedes Hernandez explains.
With this fire season forcing several communities to evacuate over the last few months, Martin Ritchie says residents should make an emergency plan. First, signing up for area-focused alerts.
In the capital area, we use a system we call Warn Central Texas. You can select to get just weather alerts, but you'll always receive alerts that come from your local emergency management, law enforcement agencies, and fire.
The alerts span across 10 Central Texas counties. And grass fires aren't the only threat Ritchie says it warns people about.
Let's not just think about the wildfire today, but think about the fact that we might need this for a hurricane or other kind of flooding events in the future.
In March, Round Rock faced such an event. A tornado ripping through the city, damaging more than 600 homes.
It's still damaged, I still have my window.
Jason Pineda watched the tornado sweep in, running inside his home to take shelter just in time. He says mobile emergency alerts came in after the twister had already passed. While it gave those still in its path time to get to safety, he says it may have been too sudden for any type of true warning.
It was kind of it was a huge shock, and I think that once we realized what was happening, everybody kind of went into another gear and just started helping each other.
While no warning system is perfect, Ritchie says signing up for area-specific alerts are one more tool to have just in case.
When a fire is encroaching, they typically will make that notification as far out in advance. But if there's really high winds, these things can be very unpredictable. And that's why it's essential that you're signed up.
In Austin, Mercedes Hernandez, KXAN News.
Thanks, Mercedes. You can find information to sign up for area weather alerts on our website, kxan.com.